Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create this dreamy warm color grading in CapCut. So first, just add the clip and then go to filter. Now click on the scenery section and find the San Francisco filter and adjust it to 100 like this. Now go to adjust. For the brightness, lower it to -15, contrast -22, and saturation 5, exposure -14, and increase the sharpness into around 7. Now click on highlight and lower it to -30. And for the shadow, lower it to -10. Lastly, for the temperature, adjust it to 5. Now click on the check icon and you are done. And if you want to make it dreamy, you just need to go to the video effect and add the edge glow or soft effect under the lens category. Here I'm going to add the soft one. Adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with 30 and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.